Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and in front of me you can see what we're doing. The 141R. Yes, we're doing the locomotive from France, the SNCF 141R type Mikado. Box 11, stage kits number 41 to 44. This is the magazine Le Conduct de, oftewel, Orel said, the conductors of this beautiful train. And these are the buttons of yesterday. A lot of dials to look at and pumps to look at. Nowadays we have buttons to press. Very quick. Le star à la plus rapide. La Malard. This is what we're going on with in 41. It's gonna look like something here. It looks like a lot, and we'll be putting some more of those dials or those wheels on in the next stage, 42. A lot of them, so we're being careful again when pushing them in and cutting them from the sprue, not rolling them off. Some more in 43 that we put on, not a lot, and then some cables we put together, and that is what we have. So there's not a lot to do. Have a look at that beautiful picture. A lot of posing in those days. And see. Let's see. Let's get 41 out. This is a lovely part to look at. They have been painting it beautifully. So we're getting that out. And the first thing we do is put that on. And putting that away. And we're still on APs. So let's start with that beautiful AP screw, and let's put another one in there. And those dials are in. There we go. Then we've got that one. We should have put in earlier. Alright, we put that little thing in, and that's it for this stage. It's all pushing. Let's go to the next stage, 42. And we're getting more of those out. We're going to put a lot more on. You've got three bigger ones, and the rest of them are smaller ones. Let's get those bigger ones off, because that's the first. Yeah, that's the first that we're putting on. And let's have a quick look where we put them. So we're putting one there, and one there. Yeah, that's going in properly. That's in properly. And then one more into that tiny little thing. And there we go. We've got those three in. Now we've got the rest of them to put in. Two of these are going in much deeper, so have a look at that. The holes are much bigger. Put those in first, otherwise it's hard to put in the one that's staying up a little bit higher, which is the one I'm putting in now. As you can see, they're going in pretty good. Then two of them right here. They're not that bad to put in. Better than the ones that we had on top. Then we've got three more. One there. I think you can see it from the top camera. One there, and this is the last one to put in. And that is what we have. 43 with those parts, and a KP screw. The one only. So we're pushing this one into that little hole there, making sure that we use the orientation that is shown. So we're putting it into that little hole that you see right there. I don't know if you did, but believe me, that's where it's going. So we put that little thing on and that little thing on, as you can see right there. So we're putting that aside because that is that stage done. We're doing the last stage, which is the cable stage. Number 44. This is nice. I can't test these on the circuit board. Wait a moment. No, can't test these. I haven't got anything that is able to test that. But that's alright. Let's put that away. A en A1. Dan gaan we A2. A2. A3. Wacht even. So I've got that one. This is a little bit strange. That is E. On one I can put E2, and on the other I put E3, and the last one is E4. Yep, they're all working. So we're letting them go, and I think this is the orientation they want. One on that side, then one lengthened with E2, and then the last one is 4E. Yep. And that's all we do, and you saw me test that. Let me just show you again. All lights will light up, as you can see right there, quite bright. That is something I've not seen earlier. Press it once and it will stay on for a few seconds, and it will turn off after that. Bam! That's the testing board from Mike Lane. And that is everything for this stage, and that's this stage and these packs done. With that picture at the end. Alright, ladies and gents, thank you very much for joining me again. That is all we have done. Well, we've done quite a bit. We've made that whole thing with all these dials, and we put this one together as well. Then we put those wires together. Have a good look at what the order is. It could have been easier just putting 1, 2, 3 on it, or 1E, 1, 2, and so on. But that's it for this time. Thank you very much for joining me. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more, or check out my channel. These builds are all there, and hope you will join me next time. And if you do, see you next time. If not, hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.